Hey guys, this is Steve Goshen from Goshen Arbitrage and Crypto Trading Platform. So I just received this gift from Binance. You can see it just came in today. Just came in today, you see. It just came in. So we are trying to unbox it to see what we got from Binance. So let's see what we have here. I'm seeing it's like a box. Wow. Okay. You can see it here. This is it. There's nothing inside again. Okay, so this is the box. So we are trying to unbox it for you now so that you can see the box. This is, you can see Binance. So we just got this gift today from Binance, celebrating their 6th anniversary as a feed creator, a content creator on Binance. Okay, let's see. There's nothing here. This is space for laptop. There's nothing here, just the space. Okay, let's leave this place and open the main box. Okay, so it has a lock. You can see it here. Now let's open it. I think this is how we open it. Okay, let's see what is inside. Wow, okay, this is what we have inside. We have, you can see Binance. We have a water bottle. Let's see what Binance have for us. This is the water bottle from Binance. Okay, you can see. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. Okay, so you can see the water bottle. Thank you, Binance. It's a gift for contributing to the Binance feed community. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, you can see Binance Turn 6. Okay, let's see what we have in this carton. Wow, okay, yeah, very good. We are having, wow, it's a polo. It's a polo from Binance. You can see this is the polo from Binance. So Binance are celebrating their 6th anniversary and they sent us a box, a polo, and a jug. A box, a polo, and a jug. Thank you, Binance. So there's a link to my in the description to my Binance feed. Follow me. I share technical analysis and fundamental analysis signals, and I have my link to my signal group. Why not join my signal group and follow? You can use the link to my Binance also as a referral code to sign up with Binance and join the community of Binance feed creator. So if you want to know about being a Binance feed creator, use the link in the WhatsApp in the description to my WhatsApp group and say hi to me. So kindly subscribe and share this video. As you can see, we have a Binance polo, Binance jug, and the box. Thank you.